आज का मैच किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है। द सेकेंड ओडीआई। नमस्ते क्रिकेट फैंस, आज हम एक और रोमांचक मुकाबले के लिए तैयार हैं। वेलकम टू द सेकेंड ओडीआई बिटवीन श्रीलंका एंड इंडिया। दोनों टीमों के बीच यह मुकाबला बहुत ही दिलचस्प होने वाला है। श्रीलंका का फर्स्ट मैच में बुरा हाल हुआ था। They were completely outplayed by the Indian team, and their morale was quite low. But you know what they say about wounded lions, right? They roar back. और श्रीलंका ने भी यही किया। और क्या roar back किया? Fans were ecstatic, and the energy in the stadium was electric. This match था Ketarama Stadium में। The atmosphere was charged with excitement as fans from both sides filled the stands. India ने strong start किया. Their openers were in great form, hitting boundaries and setting a solid foundation. But Sri Lanka, उनके पास एक secret weapon था. नाम Jeffrey van der Sar. He was ready to turn the game around. उसने 6 wicket लिए. His best bowling in ODIs. His performance was nothing short of spectacular. पूरा crowd पागल हो गया. The fans couldn't believe their eyes as van der Sar dismantled the Indian batting lineup. The stadium erupted in cheers, and the atmosphere was electric. Every wicket he took brought the crowd to their feet. It was a masterclass in bowling, and van der Sar was the star of the show. Indian batsmen struggled to cope with his deliveries, and one by one they fell. The Sri Lankan team was on fire, and their confidence was soaring. The scoreboard kept ticking in Sri Lanka's favour, and the fans were loving every moment of it. It was a complete turnaround from the first match. The Sri Lankan captain's strategy was paying off, and the team was executing their plans to perfection. It was a well-coordinated effort. On the other hand, the Indian team was trying to regroup and find a way to counter van der Sar's magic. Their coach was seen giving them a pep talk. The fans were the real winners of the day, witnessing a thrilling contest that kept them on the edge of their seats. The passion and enthusiasm in the stadium were unmatched. As the sun set and the floodlights took over, the intensity of the match only increased. It was a battle of nerves, and every run, every wicket was crucial. In the end, Sri Lanka emerged victorious, and the celebrations began. Fireworks lit up the sky, and the fans danced in joy. It was a memorable day for Sri Lankan cricket. At the post-match presentation, van der Sar was rightly awarded the man of the match for his outstanding performance. The captain praised the team's effort and dedication. As the fans left the stadium, they carried with them memories of an unforgettable match. It was a day that showcased the true spirit of cricket. The stadium, now empty, stood as a silent witness to the day's drama. The ground staff began their work, preparing for the next big game. And that was the second ODI, a match that will be remembered for a long time. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more cricketing action. Lanka, Lanka, Lanka. Van der Sar spins a web. Van der Sar, kya player hai yaar? His skills on the field are simply mesmerizing. Every time he steps onto the pitch, you can feel the excitement in the air. The crowd goes wild, and the anticipation builds up. He came in as a replacement, but he didn't just fill in the spot, he made it his own. The way he took control of the game was nothing short of spectacular, and boy did he replace. He brought a new energy to the team, a spark that was clearly visible in every move he made. उसने ऐसी spin bowling करी कि दिमाग घूम जाए. His spin was so sharp, it left the batsmen completely baffled. They couldn't figure out which way the ball was going to turn. He took 6 wickets for only 33 runs. Can you believe that? 6 wickets. It's an incredible feat, one that will be remembered for a long time. That's like getting 6 samosa for the price of 1. Imagine the joy of getting such a deal. The crowd was ecstatic, cheering and celebrating every wicket he took. The Indian batsmen, they were like, "Ye kya ho raha hai?" They were completely out of sorts, unable to handle the magic that van der Sar was weaving with the ball. It was a sight to behold, a masterclass in spin bowling. As he walked off the field, the crowd gave him a standing ovation. His teammates patted him on the back, acknowledging his brilliant performance. Van der Sar had truly made his mark, and it was a day that would be remembered in cricketing history. India's top order. हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज हम देखेंगे कैसे इंडिया के टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन ने अपना स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया और कैसे उन्होंने मैच को अपने कब्जे में रखा। ये मैच सिर्फ एक गेम नहीं था, ये था एक स्ट्रैटेजी का खेल, जहां हर मूव सोच समझ कर किया गया। इंडिया ने अच्छी शुरुआत करी। पहले ही ओवर से उन्होंने अपना डोमिनेंस दिखाना शुरू कर दिया। बाउंड्रीज पे बाउंड्रीज मारते हुए उन्होंने ऑपोजिशन को प्रेशर में डाल दिया। ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप ने ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे एक मजबूत फाउंडेशन बना दिया हो। रोहित शर्मा एंड शुभमन गिल, ये दोनों तो बाउंड्रीज मार रहे थे जैसे गली क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो। रोहित के सिक्सेस और गिल के एलिगेंट कवर ड्राइव्स ने स्टेडियम को जोश से भर दिया। हर शॉट पे क्राउड का चीयर सुनाई दे रहा था, जैसे हर कोई उनके साथ खेल रहा हो। 97 runs, not a single wicket down. But then, Van der Sar arrived. Jeffrey Van der Sar, जो अपनी स्पिन बॉलिंग के लिए मशहूर है, ने अपना मैजिक दिखाना शुरू किया। उसके आते ही मैच का पूरा मोमेंटम बदल गया और अचानक से ऐसा लगा जैसे किसी ने चैनल बदल दिया हो। एक के बाद एक विकेट्स गिरने लगे। पहले रोहित, फिर गिल और फिर बाकी बैट्समैन। स्टेडियम में एकदम से सन्नाटा छा गया। फैंस जो अब तक चीयर कर रहे थे, अब शॉक्ड और डिसअपॉइंटेड नजर आ रहे थे। विकेट्स गिरने लगे जैसे मार्केट में बेस्ट डील्स के लिए आंटीज भागती हैं। हर ओवर में एक नया ट्विस्ट आ रहा था। प्लेयर्स के बीच में कंफ्यूजन और टेंशन बढ़ गया था। क्राउड भी अपनी सीट से उठकर मैच को और क्लोजली देखने लगा। यह मैच अब एक थ्रिलर बन चुका था, जहां हर बॉल पे कुछ ना कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड हो रहा था। जब एक Asalanka, Captain Cool, Captain Clutch, Charith Asalanka, the Sri Lankan captain, वो तो जैसे चेस का ग्रैंड मास्टर निकला। He knew exactly when to bring on his bowlers, और वो बैटिंग भी कर सकता है। He scored some crucial runs and took 3 wickets. Talk about leading from the front. Wah, wah, Asalanka. Section 5. Mendes. The all-round showman, Kamindu Mendes. Ab ye hai talented lad. He can bat, bowl, and probably make a mean cup of chai too. He played a crucial role in Sri Lanka's victory. Usne scoreboard ko chalte rakha and took some important wickets. A true all-rounder in the making. Section 6. Rohit Sharma. बाकी लोग कहां थे? रोहित शर्मा, our hitman. मैच के बाद वो बिल्कुल खुश नहीं थे। We didn't play to our potential, he said. We need to learn from our mistakes. वो सही कह रहे हैं, you know. India needs to find their rhythm again. They need to come back stronger in the next match. Section 7. Turning point. Van der Sar says boo. The turning point of the match? वो तो तब आया जब Van der Sar bowling करने आया। वो तो जैसे जादूगर था, गेंद गायब कर रहा था। The Indian batsmen, they were left scratching their heads, wondering where the ball went. Section 8. The final overs. Dark time. अंतिम ओवर तो बिल्कुल टेंशन से भरे हुए थे। श्रीलंका को अपना टोटल डिफेंड करना था। इंडिया को चाहिए था एक चमत्कार, but it wasn't meant to be for India this time. Sri Lanka won by 32 runs. Crowd खुशी से झूम उठा। Section 9. India. Back to the drawing board. India, India, India. ये क्या हुआ? They need to go back to the drawing board and figure out their strategy. उनके पास talent है, but they need to perform consistently. Come on, India. You can do it. Section 10. Conclusion. The series hangs in the balance. So, there you have it, folks. Sri Lanka have leveled the series. The third ODI is going to be a thriller. Kaun jeetega? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more cricket action. And remember, keep laughing. Because laughter, like cricket, is the best medicine.